we divide 824 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down these 2 and it is 32. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 4 and it is 24. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 4. So again we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 824 divided by 5 is 164 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.